baby mozzarella. Kangaroos. Oh, this is a kangaroo.
Feels like a baby lemon, maybe.
We found out is
Lemon!
we are in the Kwiambal National Park, I guess.
Kwiambal?
Yeah, maybe I pronounced it wrong. And we're gonna stay here two nights. Holy moly! And just next to us there is the Severn River. We are gearing up for a few cods, hopefully. But we never been here, so we're gonna. It's more like an explore than actually fishing, I guess. Polly got one. It's tiny. The smallest Murray Cod we have ever seen. Look at this little guy.
It was like right under this log. Yeah, that's Polly.
It's tiny. So, fishing wasn't that great. I mean, I got 2 hits. Silvia got a tiny little one like this. It's still raining. We're just gonna relax, enjoy the fire, enjoy the sound of the rain, have a couple of drinks and go to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. I woke up early. Silvia is sleeping and I am going for an adventure, for a fish. There is something there, I think. Oh, I think it's a lure. You see? Oh, that's a lure, guys. Look, it's all full of algae and the hook a bit rusted, but that's a lure. See, this one might be a good spot. Huh? Casting in these rocks. Let's see. There was one. Again. Ay, 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 ay. No fish yet. Ooh! A massive wild boar. Wow! How does it feel to lose?
I'm gonna die one day, I'm not kidding. Uh-oh.
Polly cooked and we decided not to use plates. We eat straight from the pan. So while Sylvia was making the fire, I went fishing and I caught a beautiful cod. Yeah. Fish on, guys. That's a good fish. Come here. That's a good fish, guys. Buono. Yeah. Look at this beast. Oh. Oh. Nice. That's a very good Murray Cod. Look at this. Beauty. 56 centimeters, guys. Beauty. I'm gonna put back in the water now. There you go, buddy. On the Rapala heavy heater. Apparently it's good for Murray Cod as well. I knew it was gonna work. Rig weedless, because there are plenty of snags, and he caught the fish. That was a sick bite. I loved it. We're doing our smokehouse here.
Sopra il legno pensato. We're gonna have dinner, guys, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully Silvia doesn't eat all the sausage. And I have some left for me. Il mio cappellino è asciutto. More than dry, it's barbecued.
Barbecued, smoked,
Char grilled.
everything.
Flour food for them.
And now they spread. everything is packed up. Now we're gonna go for a walk. We should have done this walk in these days, but the rain was too much, so we're gonna do it now, which is not raining that much.
This is one of the lookout. Stunning.
We are back at camp, and I think that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching it. If you like the video, leave a like, and see you in the next one, legends.